Hey, beautiful tribe. Today, I've got some amazing breathwork techniques for you to deal with stress and anxiety and rest and digest and when you can't sleep. Okay, I want to explain a few things to you. So, when we breathe very, very shallow and we're stressed and we're breathing in through the mouth and out through the mouth, just, shallow chest breathing, our body thinks we're in danger. Okay, so we need to link into the parasympathetic nervous system and not the sympathetic nervous system. Okay, so to achieve that, we need to change our breathing. So if the one thing you could do straight away is just breathe in and out through your nose. That's the first thing you could do. What that does, your nose connects directly to your parasympathetic nervous system, and this is the mechanism in your body that tells your body it's safe, I'm not in danger. Okay, and we would start to release oxygen off of the red blood cells instead of holding on to them, which is what happens when we overbreathe and we don't get the oxygen to the parts of the body where it's needed. So I'm going to teach you now 2 techniques. So if you're out and about and you're feeling really, really stressed, this is the first technique you can do. You're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we're going to breathe in for 2 and out for 4. And it looks like this. So it's a nice circular pattern of breath in and out. In and out. Straight away, this tells our body that we're not in danger and it switches us into the parasympathetic mode. So this over-breathing, shallow breathing through our mouth and into our just our upper chest area, it sends a signal to our body that we're in danger. Okay, so we don't release oxygen off of our red blood cells and we start to feel icky and it doesn't feel nice. Okay, so this is what makes us feel anxiety and stress. Now, so you can do this if you're just out and about or you're having a rough day at work and things are getting on top of you. You can just maybe for 10 minutes, in for 2, out for 4, and then you can just switch into just breathing in and out through your nose, and that should calm things right down. So the next one I want to teach you is you need to be sitting or laying for this practice, and we're going to come in for 4 and out for 8. And it looks like this. We're going to go. So as you breathe out, I want you to make as if you're blowing through a straw, because you want to let this air out very, very slowly. Okay, so it's a case of just breathing in through the nose, linking straight into your parasympathetic nervous system, telling your body you're safe, and then breathing very slowly out through the mouth for 8. So again, you can try this for 10 minutes. After even 2 or 3 breaths, you're going to see an immediate change in how you feel. It's a really, really powerful technique. Okay, and this stuff is life-changing. Okay, so if you suffer from panic attacks or you can't sleep at night, you want to do 4, 8, but make sure you're sitting or laying down basically to do this. If you're just feeling icky, just try breathing in and out through your nose, or breathing in for 2 and out for 4. Okay, I know you're going to find this useful. It's a really transformative technique. Give it a go, subscribe, like, share, and have an amazing blessed day. Namaste.